Imagine a production line where every step is seamless, yet hidden inefficiencies lurk beneath. We mapped the entire process flow, revealing bottlenecks and quality risks that were previously unnoticed. Using data-driven insights, we pinpointed areas of waste. Our focus was clear: streamline operations by isolating inefficiencies, ensuring a smoother, more efficient production process. We designed manufacturing cells to eliminate unnecessary movement, optimizing layout for efficiency. By employing Belbin methodologies, we constructed balanced teams, enhancing collaboration and productivity. Design for Assembly and FMEA were key in reducing complexity and variation. These tailored solutions ensured a more streamlined and effective production process. Supplier positioning and VMI were pivotal in ensuring proactive quality management. By optimizing kitting and batch orders, we improved materials management significantly. Real-time KPIs provided transparency through visual factory management, allowing us to monitor and adjust processes swiftly, ensuring consistent quality and efficiency. All improvements aligned with regulatory and compliance frameworks and also adhered to GMP and inspection protocols. Consistency was maintained through team briefings, strict 5S housekeeping, and standardized work throughout. By integrating these changes, we ensured a seamless transition, enhancing productivity and quality. Now, it's your turn to implement these strategies and witness transformative results. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the third part of this case study. Watch out for the following episodes or get in touch for the full thing if you can't wait. Tune in tomorrow to find out what the changes looked like day to day on the shop floor. Looking forward to seeing you then. If you missed the first two episodes, they were shown yesterday and the day before, or you can catch them all on our website.